Text-to-speech software can be a game changer for content creators, students, or anyone who wants to listen to written material. Most people get this wrong. They assume free TTS tools are limited or low quality. Balabalka proves that free software can be surprisingly powerful. Balabalka is a desktop application for Windows that reads text aloud using installed voices on your computer. You can input documents in multiple formats like TXT, PDF, DocX, or EPUB, and the software can even save speech as audio files in MP3, WAV, or OGG formats. This is perfect for listening to study materials, creating podcasts, or generating audio versions of your content. One of the standout features is its customization. You can adjust voice speed, pitch, and pronunciation rules. Balabalka also supports bookmarks and batch conversion, so you can handle multiple files at once. Unlike some TTS tools that require constant internet access, Balabalka runs offline once voices are installed, which is a big plus for privacy and convenience. However, there are a few limitations. The quality of the voice depends on the installed Windows voices or any additional SAPI-compatible voices you add. The interface is functional, but a bit dated, and mobile support is limited since it's a desktop program. In conclusion, Balabalka is an excellent free TTS solution for Windows users who want flexibility, offline access, and a variety of formats. Whether you're learning, creating content, or just want to listen to text on the go, it's a tool worth exploring. If this review helped you understand Balabalka and its features, subscribe for more tech tool reviews, productivity hacks, and tips for getting the most out of your software.